Today I'm going to show you in this video how to format your code using Prettier in VS Code. Okay, because for some strange reason this is such an annoying thing to always have to figure out, and there's a lot of just information out there that's not useful. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to do it. So open up VS Code, make sure you install Prettier, right? So I go to preferences, extensions, and then you can search for Prettier here and install it. This part should be pretty straightforward. There should, just click on install, it installs it. There's nothing to it. All right, cool. So now I want to use it, right? I want to configure it and use Prettier, and I want to use it every time I save, right? So here's an example. There's an index.js file, and if I, let's say change, the indentation and the spaces, empty lines there a little bit, throw off the formatting, and then do a Command S to save it, it should fix it for me. Okay, this is something I do at work for my work setup, and I love it and I can't live without it. So all right, cool. So how do we do it? So after you install Prettier, the next step would be, and I'm using this this tutorial right here, but I'm gonna share the link obviously to this tutorial, but I'm just gonna focus on the parts that matter. So the part that made a difference was this part right here: manually format documents on VS Code using Prettier. So even though we're not gonna do it manually, but this part is necessary, it seems. So go ahead and open up VS Code and then do Command Shift P, and then type in format document. So that first one right there, just click on it. And why is it not pulling up the little, it's supposed to pull something up. It's supposed to show you this configure default formatter. You click on configure and then you select Prettier. That's it. Okay, it doesn't do it for me, maybe because I've done it already. So yep, it doesn't do that for me. So okay, I don't need to demonstrate it to you. It's pretty darn straightforward. Okay, so once you've done that, the next step is to automatically format the document on save, right? So do Command comma, so back to Visual Studio Code, Command comma, and then type in format on save. Okay, format on save. Oh, okay. Ignore the Planet Fitness email that I just received. Doubt I will join that gym. Then click on this one right here, format file on save, and that's it. You can close it out. It should save by itself, and that's it. That's all I had to do to get this to format, and it's always so annoying to have to figure this out. I blame VS Code or Microsoft. But anyways, so now you know. All right, take care, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm a coding tutor and a software developer, and I do these little videos every once in a while to help you guys, because I know some of these things are just super annoying and sort of challenging to figure out. All right then, take care.